Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we are going to be making a poppy collage. To get started with this project, you will want to grab some old magazines and search for any pages that might have poppy colors on them. So I'm going for reds and oranges and perhaps some yellow. If you get other colors mixed in there, that's okay too. I ended up finding a page that was mostly red but also had some blues in it. And the result still turned out pretty good. Once you've ripped out some of those colors, go ahead and cut them out into little squares so that you can collage with them. So I'm just putting all of mine onto this plate just to keep them organized. After you've done that, grab a piece of blank paper and some round things to trace. So I've got canning jar lids and also a different type of jar lid, anything that's round that your loved one can try to trace around. I'm using a pencil to start with. And then I am going to go over these traced circles with permanent marker. And my reason for doing this is because the permanent marker will seep through the paper so that you'll be able to see the circle on the back side, which will help when we cut out the circles later. It's just nice to have a line to follow when you're cutting. Once you've got your circles made, grab your disappearing purple glue and your swatches of color that you cut out earlier, and you can go ahead and start filling in the circles, covering them up with those pieces of red and orange. You can see a little bit of the blue that I was talking about earlier. They still look pretty good. And now flipping over the paper, you can see the circles that we made earlier. You can use those lines as a guide to cut around. Now we've got the beginnings of some flowers. Just to make them pop out a little bit more, I'm going to outline them and then draw a cross in the middle just to create an idea of having petals on the poppies. And I'm also using a piece of black that I found in a magazine just to create the centers. I'm just free cutting the circles. These will be the centers of the poppies. I'll just glue those on. And now you'll need a sheet of solid colored paper just to create a background. I'm going with a dark crimson red. I also thought that navy blue might look nice, but I went for the crimson. So go ahead and glue those poppies down onto your background paper. And I'm opting to draw on some stems and some leaves just to fill it in a little bit. Give them some fuzzy stems because poppies do have fairly fuzzy stems and leaves. And there you have it. A cute little poppy collage, good for this time of year and fun to make together. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you know anyone that would benefit from watching this, go ahead and share my content with them. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this one. Have a great day.